DDOT will replace 54 miles of sidewalk this year as part of Mayor Bowser's Pave DC initiative to fix all sidewalks in poor condition by 2021. There are several different styles of sidewalks. This is one way they are replaced. Step 1. Remove the old sidewalk. Step 2. Prepare base layer of the sidewalk. Step 3. Pour concrete for the new sidewalk. Step 4. Smooth surface and let dry. This concrete sidewalk was replaced on 12th Street Northeast between East Capitol and Independence Avenue. To see where else we are planning to fix sidewalks, visit dc.gov/pavedc.